Guys, welcome to the 16th video tutorial on Java programming, and in this video we will learn about abstraction in Java. So you might have heard abstraction is one of the core object oriented programming concepts. So what is abstraction? The abstract keyword is a non-access modifier used for classes and method. And here for defining a class as an abstract, so we can take in this example, for example, this class person, I have declared this as abstract. So you just need to write abstract in front of this class person. And in this class person, you can see that I have given some of its attributes, like the first name is my name, the age is my name, and you can see here that I have also given an method, that is study method, and the study method is also declared as abstract. So you can see that there is no body to this method. So this is the property of an abstract method, that there is no body to an abstract method. So the body of an abstract method is defined in the class which inherits this method person. Body of this method study is provided into this class student, which extends this person class. This extends keyword shows that all these properties of this person class are being inherited by the student class directly. One should also note that once a class has been declared as abstract, so you cannot create object references to this class directly. That means that if you want to print this f name, or you want to print this age, or you want to use this study void method, so you can't directly give an object reference of this person class directly. So for that you need to give the reference of the students class which extends this person class. So the original significance of abstraction is that the users, the end users which use this program, so they don't get direct access to this abstract class. They only can see what are the fields in this abstract class. Now what we will do in this main class that I have declared here, we will create an object of this class student, and from that object we will try to call the attributes of this abstract class. We cannot directly call the attributes of this abstract class, as it will throw an error. So let's create an object here. So the object I have created gives the reference of the student class which is here, and the object refers also to the student class. But since the student class is using this extend keyword of this person class, all these attributes of the abstract class can now be accessed from the main class. So now one by one we will call all these attributes of this abstract class with this reference of the student class that we have created here. So let's begin. So I'll type So what I have done here is that using the my object that I have created, I have called this f name which lies inside this abstract class. So but you can see that the object reference is created through this student class, not directly to this abstract class. You can't create object reference to an abstract class. So after that I have called the age attribute of this abstract class which I have declared here, and later on with the same object I have tried to access this graduation here, which is a field of this student class, not of this abstract class, just for testing. So lastly I have called the abstract method, this that is study. So you can also note that inside an abstract class it is not necessary that all the class can be that all the methods should be declared as abstract. You can also declare concrete methods which return some type of value, but all the methods which are declared as abstract, so they end with a semicolon. So let's see whether our code is working or not. I'll save it and then I'll run it. Okay, so you can see that all the data which lies inside the abstract class has been fetched from the reference that we created of the student class which extended this abstract class. So this is all about abstract class and abstract method. If you still have any doubts regarding abstraction in Java, you can write in the comment section. I'll definitely try to solve it. So if you like my videos, please do hit the like, share and subscribe button.